Youngor has been using cutting machines since 1997. Over the years, we have tried many different brands. After comparison, our key requirements are: first, machine stability; second, overall craftsmanship and design; third, competitive pricing. Imported brands are priced very high, and maintenance has also been a major pain point. The JWEI multi-layer cutter truly impressed me. First, its vacuum suction technology operates more quietly than some import machines. Second, its cutting speed is the fastest I've ever seen. Third, domestic machines like JWEI offer much better service than foreign counterparts. Our intelligent transformation at Youngor has been ongoing since 2018. We have been connecting front-end, middle, and back-end with digital technologies while incorporating standardized processes and integrating systems like overhead conveyors with MES and automatic cutters with AI. This significantly enhances apparel craftsmanship and workflow.